The smart way to install smart meters. Fitting meters to semi-concealed meter boxes has always been a problematic, slow and skilled labour-driven process. To fit into a confined space and then soldering leak-proof multiple joints is time-consuming and challenging, with the added safety risk of flux contaminating the rest of the installation. Now there is a better way. Sperryn easy-to-fit meter connection kits are now available for all box types and have a unique flexible jointing system allowing 360-degree rotation of all joints, which are then easy to manipulate into place. The solution includes a flexible hose with compression joints, which is so much quicker than the tedious traditional method of soldering joints. In addition, a new bracket has been developed, specially designed to work on all meter box types, so the installer can be confident that whatever they find on site can be dealt with. Finally, the new equipment ensures lid closure for even the most challenging box types, including connect and wet designs. The kit ensures fully compliant installation to BS 6400 Part 1, so the installer can have complete peace of mind. Easy to fit Sperryn semi-concealed meter box connection kits. The smart way forward.